What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to go over the recent announcement for the ETF distribution of the YieldMax ETFs. I will have a video for you tomorrow revealing to you a new real estate investment trust that I will be buying on Monday. And guess what? TSLY's passive income and NVDY's passive income will be buying this new REIT, and I'm really excited. Plus the VG dividends. If you check out my shorts, I'll put that in the comment section as well. How much I earned. It was honestly, with this distribution announcement, all these ETFs, I still think it's a great month. Now, as I said before, even if I hit 44 cents with TSLY, I would be thrilled. There's one that really stands out. There's actually two of them that stand out. I'm going to review them, but I'm going to go over the distribution of TSLY that I've had before and NVDY. So what I'm happy about, but I'll reveal to you the distribution that I earned next week, because Saturday, Sunday starts a new week, and Saturday is like the last day of the week. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this out right now. So I am on Global Newswire, and YieldMax ETFs announced monthly distributions on TSLY, OARK, APLY, NVDY, AMZY, FBY, GOY, NFLY, CONY, CONY, MSFO, DISO, XOMO, and JPMO. So I want to go over a few things. I'm still happy with the distribution per share with TSLY. I'll reveal to you the distribution rate, and I'm very excited to have their distribution by the REIT that I'll be purchasing on Monday. So I'm very excited to reveal to you that. And guess what? This passive income is really going to turbocharge my dividend portfolio. NVDY, I'm very happy with that at 67 cents. One thing that really stands out is the coin option income strategy ETF. A lot of us discussed, I was with Oracle Investments, we were discussing CONY, that this may be the one that everybody loves and will be buying because of the distribution. Very exciting to see the distribution rate of them. JPMO's a little bit down. XOMO's 28 cents, not bad. Disney option income strategy ETF 26 cents. Microsoft is 27. Netflix, NFLX, that one's pretty attractive right now. AMZY at 63.38. That is exciting. Also, the Meta option is 45.05. So there's a lot of opportunities, and what I'm using again is their distribution to buy dividend growth stocks. There's no way that I'm going to throw them in my traditional and or Roth IRA. There is no way that they're going to beat the price per share of the S&P 500. There is no way that they're going to beat the overall price per share or outgrow any of these actual stocks. Like, for example, MSFO, there's no way that that's going to beat Microsoft's price per share or growth over time. Same with coin option income strategy ETF. But I'm going to go over the overall distribution of TSLY, NVDY, and I want to really go over CONY. So we're going to jump to TSLY and NVDY first. And again, TSLY, they're not going to beat the S&P 500. They're down 30%. Everybody's taking a hit. That's just what's going on right now. So this is very attractive. I have TSLY in E-Trade and M1 Finance. I may use TSLY's passive income on E-Trade to either buy NVDY or buy CONY. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with that income, but I'm very happy with what I did with my purchase. Again, I like a very diversified portfolio. I like high yield. I like actual dividend growth stocks that are low yield but high dividend growth. And again, high dividend growth, low yield always wins over these ETFs, TSLY, and that. So I want to be clear that I always like Pepsi, I always like Coca-Cola, I always like the dividend growth stocks, the really good dividend growth stocks, Starbucks over these guys. It's just, I'm using their passive income as a strategy to turbocharge my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So I'll go over that a little bit more in detail this next week with why I'm still doing this and why I still like it. Now, there is a little bit of a price drop, but that's fine. Now let's jump to the history of the distribution of TSLY. So looking at their history, okay, January 99 cents, 90 cents, 90 cents, 82 cents, 44 cents. In May, June 80 cents, July 106, August 83 cents, and then September, 58 cents, and then October 57 cents. I'm still happy with that. Like I said, even if I hit 44 cents, that's fantastic. I'm happy with the passive income distribution because it's turbocharging my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And that passive income is buying me dividend growth stocks. It's going to be buying me this REIT that I'm going to be adding. So I'm very happy with that. This is why I use them. This is the only reason why I use them, to buy other stocks and use their income to do that. And eventually it'll get to the point with M1 Finance, I can allocate my funds that I'm earning from my active income to focus on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, buy realty income, buy new dividend growth stocks, I just don't want to get to the point where I have to completely focus on M1 Finance. I want other things to do the work, so I don't have to actively buy new shares or buy stocks, and just let the passive income from them and my some of my high yield slow dividend growth stocks and ETFs, and some of my well, hopefully Zim starts resuming their dividend. It might be a year or two, but Zim I'll probably be rebuying. But this is what I want to do with this passive income, is turbocharge my dividend portfolio, because I can't do options on there. Starting to learn how to do options. This is what I'm doing. So we're going to jump to NVDY. It's quite interesting with NVDY. It's like right in line with the S&P, but don't expect it to beat the S&P 500. It's sitting at 2205. There's a little bit more stability. So if I'm going to buy these YieldMax ETFs, I need some that have stability, because I can't just rely on TSLY. I can't just rely on CONY, which I plan on buying. I can't just rely on these other ones. I have to be a little bit diversified into the more conservative, more stable ones. And with their distribution, which I'll reveal to you, this is why I like them. So again, you're seeing a little bit more stability with them. And I like the distribution per share. I definitely need to be a little bit more diversified with these YieldMax ETFs. And again, I'm not going to go all in on them. I want my dividend growth stocks to overpower them over time. That's what the plan is use these guys to buy these dividend growth stocks and buy more shares of them, which is starting to work big time. So the distribution starting in June was 74 cents, then 95 cents, and then August it was 81 cents, and then it was 92 cents, and it dropped down to 67 cents. 67 cents is great. I still like that. So I'm not going to complain about that. I'm just going to leave it alone and let them do their work and go from there. But I want to jump to CONY. This is one that, considering buying, and I may use my passive income that I earn from YouTube or my side hustles to start buying CONY and turbocharging my dividend portfolio. I'm hoping M1 Finance adds them eventually, because this one would really be a game changer to my dividend portfolio. So we're going to go over CONY. The Yieldmax Coin Option Income Strategy ETF is sitting at 1927. May decrease in price per share since it's a more new one, so I'm just going to sit back a little bit and see how things go, because I may be able to get them at a discount. So they're sitting at $19.27. I'm going to review them real quick because a lot of you are new to this YouTube channel watching this video. Everybody's watching this TSLY ETF video that I have, and everybody's in the search bars hitting TSLY ETF and all these YieldMax ETFs. So let's go over them. So the YieldMax Coin Option Income Strategy ETF, CONY, is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling/writing call options on COIN, or coin. CONY produces a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining cap participation in the price games of coin. Investing in the fund involves a high degree of risk. They make this clear. The distribution rate is the annual yield an investor would receive at the most recently declared distribution, which includes option income, remain the same going forward. The distribution rate is calculated, multiplying an ETF's distribution per share by 12 and dividing the resulting amount by the ETF's most recent net asset value. The distribution rate represents a single distribution from the ETF and does not represent its total return. The 30-day SEC yield represents a net investment income, which excludes option income earned by such ETF over the 30-day period ended in 9/30/2023, expressed as an annual percentage rate based on such ETF share price at the end of the 30-day period. All YieldMax ETFs have a gross expense ratio of 0.99%. Again, distributions, I need more coffee in me because I'm doing this video earlier, are not guaranteed. So the fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Coinbase, subject to a limit of potential investment gains. Investors are not entitled to any distributions that may be declared by coin. And again, right here, is nice. Look at this distribution per share, 120. I don't know if it's going to be like that all the time, but that's exciting. No shares of the actual Coinbase. So I just want to make you aware of that. And so the thing is, I'm going to scroll back here. They have a very aggressive strategy. And you look at the holdings, again, I want to make this clear. This is a huge risk. And again, an expense ratio of 0.99%. You have to be able to, if they take a hit, not be worried, and you need to have a well-diversified portfolio. I'm going to make that clear. I am big with dividend growth stocks. I like the way the dividend growth stocks are doing, and I want stocks in ETFs, the high-yield stocks and ETFs, to buy my dividend growth stock. So that's what I'm doing with these type of ETFs. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Don't forget to visit. Don't forget to. Gosh, I can't even talk. Do not forget to check out my video for tomorrow. This is going to be very exciting. I'm very excited to reveal to you my new real estate investment trust. And I'm just I'm going to start making it actually today so that I can have it for you tomorrow morning. Hopefully there's no issues with YouTube, but this is very exciting for my dividend portfolio. I already revealed to you how much dividend income I earned, or passive income I earned. I will have that in the comment section as well, because a lot of you are new to this YouTube channel. You guys take care and have a great Saturday, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this in any form of financial advice. Do not use any of my videos as a form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do own shares in TSLY and NVDY, and I do plan on owning them for the next 72 hours or longer. I plan on using their passive income to buy dividend growth stocks. Investing is a huge risk. So you can gain money, you can lose money. So make sure you do your due diligence. But it is best to seek professional advice or investment advice from a financial advisor or somebody to give financial advice. Again, this is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I will not give any form of financial advice. So I just want to make that clear. And, I have lost money, I have gained money. So make sure you do your due diligence, and you have a great Saturday.